Okay, we are now on page 11. Looking at question 13, it says use the coordinate plane below to graph the equation y equals -2. So, -2. This means that for any value I plug in for x, let's say x equals 5. What happens to the function? Well, there is no x in this function. So what that means is it does not affect it. If I plug in -5, I still get -2. If I plug in 5, I get -2. If I plug in 0, I get -2 for y. Plug in -3. As you can see right here, no matter what I plug in for x, I will get -2. So this is our line. What would you say the slope is for this line? Oh. For this line here, what would you say that the slope is? 0. Because rise over run. As you notice, we can run or go left or right as however many units we want to. Let's just say 4 or 3 or 2. How much do we go up or down? 0. 0 over 4 reduces to 0. Notice with the previous question, they give you, well, this is chopped off. It's a vertical line, and it looks like it's just before where x equals 5. So I wrote x equals 4.9 is the equation. And so no matter what value I plug in for y, notice that x is always 4.9. Now if you look at the slope for this one, rise over run, you'll notice that no matter what value we rise by, we can go positive, negative, we can go up or down however many units, we go left or right 0 units. And if you ever try to divide by 0, this says indeterminate, we just write undefined, okay? Because you can't divide by 0. Convert each of the following equations into slope-intercept form. So what that means is we need it to look like y equals mx plus b. So first things first, let's distribute this 1/2 to our x. So we have y is equal to -3 plus 1/2 x plus, what's 1/2 of 24? 12. Okay, if we combine like terms, we get y is equal to 1/2 x plus 9. There we go, it's in slope-intercept form. Looks just like that. We got our slope, we got our y-intercept, good to go. In this case, this is actually in point slope form, but you haven't learned that yet. So 1/3 times x, we're just distributing here. And then what's 1/3 of 18? Fortunately, those were nice numbers. This is not yet in slope-intercept form. We need to get rid of the -7 on the left side, which means we need to add 7 to both sides. And there we go. It is in slope-intercept form now. Good. That's fine. Okay. Still got time on the clock. Damien has $25 to spend on cereal. He plans to spend his money on boxes of his 2 favorite kinds of cereal, Captain Crunch and Golden Grahams. Not bad. Not bad. Each box of Captain Crunch costs $3. Each box of Golden Grahams costs $2.50. Using the variable c to represent Captain Crunch and the variable g to represent Golden Grahams, write a linear equation to represent this problem situation. So he has $25 to spend. And we have that each box of Captain Crunch costs $3, and each box of golden grams costs $2.50. Okay, so this is what we have here for our equation. If Damien buys 5 boxes of Captain Crunch, how many boxes of golden grams can he buy? So 25 is equal to 3 times, you said 5 boxes of Captain Crunch. So we get 25 is equal to 15 plus 2.5 G and if we subtract 15 from both sides, we get 10 is equal to 2.5 G. Let's turn this off. And if we divide by 2.5, we get that he can buy 4 boxes of golden grams. Just make sure you see that. We divide both sides by 2.5. 10 divided by 2.5 is 4. Okay. Damien spends his money only on boxes of Captain Crunch. How many boxes can he buy? Will he have spent all $25? Well, let's check. 25 is equal to 3 times Captain Crunch plus 2.5 times 0 boxes of golden grams. He is not going to buy any golden grams, just Captain Crunch. So this simplifies. 2.5 times 0 is 0. So we get 25 is equal to 3 times C. If we divide both sides by 3, what is 25 divided by 3? 24 divided by 3 is 8. So he can get 8 boxes with some change to spare. He did not spend all his money. Okay. Faith is planning a dinner party for 95 people and needs to plan a seating arrangement. 2 different sizes of tables are available. The small tables can sit 5 people and the large tables can sit 6 people. They show the equation there. Find the variables used in this equation. So, small tables fit 5 people, so X represents small tables. And Y represents large tables. Find the x-intercept of the equation and explain its meaning for the problem situation. The x-intercept is just like what we would think of as the c-intercept in this problem. We said that the g value was 0, so then whatever we got for c, that would be the c-intercept. So let's check it out. I'm going to rewrite this 5x plus 6y. Was it 95? 95. So 5x plus 6 times 0 equals 95. So we end up with 5x equals 95. And if we divide 95 by 5, we should get 19. Okay, so if we were to write this as a point, it would be 19, 0. That would be our x-intercept. Okay, and we'll end the video right here.